Hey there, welcome back. This video I am going to show you play YouTube in background on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, take your phone, open YouTube and make sure you can use the updated version of the app. After that, look at the bottom menu bar, you can see various options. Look at the bottom right corner, find the U tab, simply click on it. After that, look at the top right corner, find the settings gear button, tap to open the settings page. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the playback option. Once you found them, simply click to open it. After the playback page is open, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you can find the picture in picture mode. If it turn off your phone, simply turn it on first. After it turn on, simply back to the YouTube home feed. Here you can find any video. If you want to play your background, simply play the video. After you play the video, simply if you are using navigation gesture button, swipe it and right now this video automatically play my background. You can also this time use another app. For example, I am use Facebook, so open Facebook. Right now I am using both app at the same time. But make sure this option is also available updated version. If your YouTube app is older version, you can don't find this option. Thanks for watching.